In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Trello board to a CSV file. This can be incredibly useful if you need to back up your data or if you're moving information to a different project management tool. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, take a look at your Trello board. At the top right corner, you should see an icon that looks like a little rocket ship. It might seem like a simple icon, but it's your gateway to a whole range of extra functionalities. You'll want to go ahead and click on that rocket ship icon. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option that says Add Power-Ups and click on it. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are power-ups? Essentially, they are plugins developed by third-party developers. They enhance your Trello experience by adding specialized features that aren't available by default. With this in mind, we're going to search for a particular power-up called Board Export Arrays by Collecti. In the search bar that appears, type in Board Export. When you see it pop up in the results, click the Add button. After successfully adding the power-up, it's time to set it up and authorize it for use. You'll notice a Settings button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll probably be prompted to follow some instructions to authorize the power-up. Don't worry. This is a standard step that allows the power-up to interact with your Trello board just the way you need it to. Once you've got everything set up, you'll see a new shortcut button appear at the top right corner of your Trello board. This button is your direct access to the Board Export power-up. Click on it to see your options moving forward. The next step is to select the list from your board that you want to export. You'll see a list of all your current lists, and you can choose one or multiple depending on your needs. Once you've made your selection, the next thing you'll need to do is click on Export Lists. You'll be given a few options on formats, so be sure to select CSV. This is a widely used format for data exports because it can be easily opened in spreadsheet programs like Excel or Google Sheets. As you're almost finished, you'll need to choose the specific fields you want to export. This allows you to refine what data makes it into your CSV file. After you've made your choices, simply click on the Export button and you're done. And there you go. You've successfully exported your Trello board to a CSV file. It's that easy. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your project management a bit easier. Thank you for watching and have a great day.